Everybody. Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. As always, I'm your host, Kat Milner, the Chief Tech Ninja of Simplify Your Tech. And I've been hearing a lot from people lately that they're sending out emails and they're just not getting anywhere with it. Maybe they have a small list, maybe they have a big list, but either way, things just aren't converting. So let's talk today about the one thing that may secretly be killing all your sales on email, and you probably don't even realize it. You're sending out those emails, you're putting in the effort, you're showing up consistently, and nothing. No replies, no bookings, just crickets. So I see this all the time. This actually happens a lot. Coaches, business owners pour their heart and soul into their emails, but instead of clients coming out and reaching out, their messages just get ignored, or even worse, people are unsubscribing. So here's the one simple thing that is quietly pushing people away and making them not want to deal with you. The good news, it's really easily fixed. And once you do this, your emails are going to be way more effective. So stick around. We're going to not only tell you what that mistake is, I'm going to give you the easy fix that you can implement right now. So what's the big mistake? What's the big deal? Why are people not responding to my emails? It's one thing. You're focusing on you, not on your reader. Now, don't get me wrong. Your offer, your insight, your programs, your value is incredible. But if your emails start by talking about you and focusing on you, you've already lost them. They don't care about you yet. So let me give you a couple of examples. So imagine you open an email and the first thing is that you see is, hey, I've launched my new program. I'm so excited to tell you about. I want to share my latest offer. Now, the harsh reality is that they really don't care that you've done any of that yet. They don't open the email because they care about you. They open it because they believe that there's something in it for them. So if your first sentence does not immediately hook them with something that matters to them, they'll skim, delete, or even worse, completely unsubscribe and never want to hear from you again. So how do we fix this? It's actually very simple. The next time you write an email, lead with you instead of I. Make your reader the star of the story. Tap into their struggles, their desires, their emotions right from the very get-go. So for example, instead of saying, like I would maybe put out something saying, hey, I just launched my new program to help coaches with their tech. Maybe something like this instead would generate more interest. Are you feeling overwhelmed by tech? Here's a simple way that you can fix that so you can focus on your coaching instead. See the difference? One feels like an announcement, the other feels like the solution. Another example. Hey, I've created this amazing new training to help with lead generation. As opposed to struggling to get leads, here's a simple way to attract clients without feeling salesy. It's subtle, but it completely shifts the focus from you to them, and that makes all the difference in the world. So here's the thing. Your audience isn't sitting around thinking about you all day. As much as we want to think that the world revolves around us sometimes, it really doesn't. They're there thinking about their problems, their struggles, their goals. So the more your emails speak directly to those things, the more engaged your audience is going to be. So this tiny little shift, making your emails about them and not you, can completely change how people respond. You're going to get more engagement, more replies, and best of all, more actual paying clients. So we talk about this in the blog, including some more examples and the exact words to avoid in your emails. So if you want to make sure that your emails are not getting ignored and they're getting opened, click the link to the blog in the comments below. And if you're guilty of this mistake, and don't worry, we have all been there, myself included, drop a yes or an emoji or a me too in the comments, and I'd love to hear what happens, and I'd love to see the changes that you make in your email. So feel free to reach out to me and let me know how that's going. I cannot wait to hear how that works out for you. So look forward to seeing you next time.